All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally got the Google Pixel stand here. Once again, shout out to Google for sending this over, man. I really appreciate it. This basically turns your phone into a nice little dock. When you put your phone on this thing, it'll play your photos when it's idle. It brings the Google Assistant out front. You can control things directly from this. It changes the look of your phone as well when it's on the stand. So I'm just gonna rip this open here. And we'll get it unboxed. Nice little presentation. Here it is right here. It sits down like this. In the box, you get the manuals, and there'll be a charger under here as well. This is what you get as well. And then you have this very long cable here from them. It's Type C to Type C. And then you get a fast charger here as well. I don't have my glasses, so I can't really see what that says. Now, before I hook up this cable, I have a turbocharger I want to try to use right here next to it. Now, this is supposed to be able to really charge your phone really fast. I like this little grip on the bottom, so you peel here, and then you can go up and around. And this is like super grippy. I like the orange. This is like rubber. It's super grippy. You run the cable through here in the back. And again, I'm going to try my turbocharger first. This is a nice sturdy little setup here. A little wobbly if you pull on it too hard, but let's peel this off. And here is the stand. So this is a very nice look, clean look. Nothing fancy about it, just a regular stand. I really like it. It's super grippy too. So this is supposed to be able to charge your phone through the case. And I do have the official Google case here that they sent out. The artist is Hebrew Brantley. Shout out to the person that turned me on and gave me some knowledge. I appreciate you. You know who you are. Just leave a comment down below. You know who you are. But this stand will charge through any case. It says, obviously not metal stuff, but it'll charge through. So we're gonna plug, again, I'm gonna try my turbocharger first and run it through and see if it works. I was watching another video and the person said that it didn't work with whatever they had. So let's just try it and see what happens. And mine works. So this it's charging rapidly. And when docked, it's supposed to be able to convert your phone until now. I'm pretty sure the charger doesn't matter. There's a little LED light down here that you probably can't see it, but there's a little LED light down there at the bottom. And I guess when your phone is idle, this will turn your phone, it converts it to pretty much a dock, and you can control things on there. So I don't know if there's something in the settings I need to take care of to get it to work that way, but or it might just be when the phone goes idle, this is when it actually does it. So night light, auto, I hate that right there. Sunrise, sunset, turn off. Eesh. I do not like the night light. But this is supposed to set your phone down. You put your phone on here and it will automatically detect, and you'll be able to control your phone from here. So let's see if anything actually changes here when it's docked for a second, because it definitely is rapid charging. You may not be able to see that, but it's definitely rapid charging. In the presentation that Google set up, they show that you can obviously control it or whatever. Now you might have to use their, I don't know why you would have to use their charger, but it definitely works. So place your phone on there vertically, yeah, Pixel stand, yeah. And it should change things, and you'll be able to control it wirelessly. Now when they did it, it changed, I could see the Google Assistant thing pop up down there, and it says, follow the on-screen steps, place your charger on it vertically, and follow the steps. I don't see any on-screen steps popping up. But it looks like we might have to use their cable, their charger. So we're gonna do that. So let's unplug mine and see if that makes a difference. Maybe that's what the people were talking about when they say you have to use their charger. So let's get their charger out. And the Pixel charger that comes with your phone probably would work too. But let's see if this makes a difference. This is gonna be very strange if it does. It's gonna be weird if you have to use this charger that came with it. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that before. But we're about to find out real time. Hopefully my cable, I got enough room on the cable to match it up here. And I'm plugging up their cable, if you can see there. And let's see here. Let me change this. Let's see here. All right, so let's see if something changes. Yep. Wow, that's amazing. Google really did a number on us, man. You have to use their charger. I've never seen anything like that before. That is just amazing. Never in my life have I seen something like this where I got to use their charger. So it tells you can do more with your Pixel while it's charging. So you hit next and it takes you through. So enter in my password here. Uh-oh, took it off. All right, so it's setting it up. I agree. The Pixel stand, photos. See your photos on an ambient display. Let's just do it. I don't have anything in here. Let's see here. We'll skip this for now because I might not have some stuff in there. Okay, so turn on Do Not Disturb while stand is on. No, because I have mine set to Do Not Disturb when I have it set automatically. You can turn on for sunrise for the alarm. That's cool. Ready to go. Try saying, okay, Google. Okay, dun, dun, dun. So here it is. So when you put this on here, it's thinking that it's bedtime is what I see here. So you could say, hey, Google, what time is my next alarm?
You have an alarm weekends at 9 a.m. that is turned off.
There it is. And so then it goes back to this. Now, if you hit bedtime, it tells you.
You've found the new bedtime routine. Let's try it together. First, let's set tomorrow morning's alarm. What time should I set the alarm for?
10 a.m.
You got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Next, I'll play some nature sounds to help you fall asleep. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also tell you about tomorrow's calendar or weather, turn off lights, and more. To customize your bedtime routine, check out Routines in Google Assistant settings. Sleep well.
And so it's playing some it's playing some nighttime country noises and sounds. That's pretty eclectic, man. So I'm pretty sure once this sits for a little bit, it idles down, and you know, this is crazy. Google did a number, man. Yeah, you can go ahead and turn it off. It's playing. It's showing you what it's playing. It's gonna play this, loop this for an hour. Every hour it'll start over, play something else. Let's pause that. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. So. The Google stand, man, this is hot. Now, I'm glad I tested that you have to use their stand. That's something that I haven't seen before, but it's cool, man. You know that you have to use their stand. It's not a problem. It's just a part of the game. It's just a cable. But I think it's pretty cool, and somehow they've mapped it into where you have to use their stand, or their charging cable, I should say. You know, today's technology, gotta love it. This is a fast charger though, and I will have this by my bed. I don't know how often I would, and I had the volume down at first. She told me to crank it up to about 60%, but I don't know how often I would actually have it play the music. But I do like the concept and I do like the idea. I think this is fantastic, man. They hit the nail on the head with this stand right here. You know, and I could tell it to play some music. Let me see if it'll play some music. Well, I don't want to do that because I got enough copyright strikes against me already. But anyway, man, this is the Google Pixel stand. Really hot device, man. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. And once again, shout out to Google for sending this over. The playing of the music and everything, the little wilderness sounds to help you relax. That's actually pretty cool. I think it's nice, man. I think it's really sweet. So I think you guys will enjoy this. This is $79. And I know a lot of people have actually people are actually ordering this. You might think at first, well, you know, this is $80, you know, that's a lot of money for a stand. Well, it's right in line with every other stand, but those stands don't give you, I mean, think about all the wireless charging stands that are out there. They're not smart wireless charging stands. They're just fast wireless charging stands. And that's about it. So this one right here, no sales pitch. It's actually pretty cool. And I think a lot of people who have this already are ready to test it out, but they don't have their Pixel yet. So this gives you some firsthand experience about how the phone is going to work if you decide to do this. So this is actually really sweet, man. I can't tell you how much I like this. So it's your man Jay. There it is, the Google Pixel stand in full effect. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's probably way more that I didn't cover, but if you find out tricks and tips for this right here, leave a comment down below and maybe I'll cover it in another video or in the full review for this phone. So it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.